Sir, can I start the session?
Actually, two staff members have joined just now, myself and my colleague, one more colleague. So
Okay.
we can wait for 1 or 2 minutes.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. No problem.
Yeah. Sir, please start the session.
Okay, sir. My screen is visible, sir.
Uh, no, sir, it is not visible at my end.
Okay.
Can you reshare it?
Mm-hmm. Now,
Yeah, it is now visible, sir.
okay, sir. So, good afternoon, everyone. I am Papu from Predictive Analytics Solution Private Limited. So, I am delighted to have all of you in today's demo session on NVivo. So, today I will take you through a complete demonstration of NVivo, which is the one of the most widely used qualitative analytics software globally. So before I start the session, I request to all of you that please keep your mics on mute so that everybody can experience a smooth session. So if you have any doubt during the session, please note it down, and at the end of the session, we'll try to answer your all queries. So I do have a PPT of my own which I am sharing with you. So this PPT gives you a brief about the product. So NVivo is a widely used qualitative analytics software because it supports various data format, that is like interview, survey, audio, video, and social media data and more. So you can import your own libraries, organize your articles, code them differently, and find the relationship between the codes and attributes. So all types of imported data will be visible in one window with the visualization that enhance the research output. So apart from the PDF, Word file, PDF and text, if you are working with any survey files like NVivo supports directly import from the tools like SurveyMonkey, Qualtrics, Excel files, and any reference management tool like EndNote, Jetro, ReferenceWorks. You can also import some social media data for the real life topic analysis like YouTube data or YouTube comments like this. Okay, so let me quickly walk you through three new AI features that we have. First one is unpack jargon and technical language. So it provide meaningful some specific regional term that is used in interview or discussion. Basically, when we review an interview or an discussion file, so someone uses some complicated term like regional term. So AI breaks it down and gives you a exact meaning. The second one is drive into reflective work, reflective thinking. That means AI summarize the entire file to help you understand the content quickly. So with the help of AI, you can make the gist of your text file in just few seconds. And the third one is fine tune your coding. That means AI suggests you some subcode or child code for your existing code structure. That means if you have a code with multiple references, then AI can suggest you for the child code for the main code to make the code detailed and efficient to make your analysis easier. And NVivo also supports the visualization like such as word cloud, word tree, hierarchy chart, bar chart, word maps like this. So there are three modules in NVivo. First one is AI module. It includes 500 pages of AI content by default. For the unlimited users, requires a separate paid subscription. And the second one is transcription module, so it converts the audio and video file into text format, okay, into 42 languages including Hindi, Marathi and Tamil. And if you have to purchase it based on the hour of the transcription of your video file or audio file. And the third one is collaboration cloud. It allows to remote teamwork to work on a same project simultaneously, so it is also a paid features. So these three are AI modules that we have in NVivo. So first one is AI transcription and collaboration cloud. Each is designed to make your quality research more easier and efficient. So in this demonstration, I will give you, uh, first of all, I will show you the data import, and the second, then I will show you some manual coding. After that, I will explore some explore section and demonstrate auto coding. Then I will show you some AI features like AI summarization, suggest child code from the original code, and lastly, I will show you how to extract the data from YouTube comments, and how to analyze those in NVivo. So let me open the NVivo software first. So this is the starting interface of NVivo software. Here you can see recent projects are there. Here you can find the recent project of your own, and this is the account section, and this is the getting started with us tutorial video. Okay, and this is the community section. You can find NVivo community here. If you are curious about it, you can explore the NVivo community. And these are the sample projects, and this is the new project section. There are some pseudo this is the sample project. That means sample projects are made up with some pseudo data to help you understand the all possible analysis and expected output. So if you want to get these types of result, you can go for this sample project. And in this demonstration, I am going to create a new project. So for that, I have to click on this new project. Okay, so this is a two-step method. In first step, I have to write the name of the project. So I am putting the name as demo session. So here is the project title, and this is the file name, that means location. So this is important when for we need a backup or manual sharing between the system. So you can change it from the browse option also. Okay, then you have to click on next, and this is the second step. That means we have to set a saving preference. Okay, so you can see first one is auto save the project, yes or no. If you click on the auto save the project, yes, that means automatically it saves your work continuously. But one problem is there, you can't undo anything. So it's better to go with the second option, that is the display save reminders every 15 minutes. You can change it also. You can change it into 30 minutes, or you can change it, you can decrease or increase it also. So I am change it into 30 minutes. That means after 30 minutes it will give me a reminder to save my project or not. So better to go with this second option. After once completed all of this, you have to click on this create project. Okay, I have. Okay, so when we start a new project, NVivo gives you a quick tours of the session like import, organize, explore, and centralize. So I will skip this for now. You can go with this start tour. So this is the in main interface that has three panel. You can see this is the data panel, coding, and wait a minute. And this is the explore section, organize and import option. So under the import option, here you can find all types of data file that is stored in NVivo software. And the second one is organize, that means where coding, cases, notes and sets are managed in this software. And in explore section you can find where the queries, visualization, reports are found. Okay, and this is the home page, and this is import, create, explore and share, and three types of modules are there. Okay, this is the home page. In this demonstration, first of all I have to import the all types of files. So for that I am clicking in the import data section and files. So first of all, to import the files, import the data files in this software, I have to create the folders. Okay, so for that, after we create a folder, then we can import the files, data files. So to create the file, I have to right click on the file section. So first of all, I have to right click on the file section, and after that, I am getting the option new folder. So I am clicking on the new folder, and it is asking me for the name of the folder. So I give the name as interviews, and again I am creating a new folder, that is PDF. Again images, and lastly video files. So here I am creating I have created four folders, that is images, interviews, PDF and video files. So like this you have to create the folders. After that you can import the files in the files. Okay, so I am creating four files here, you can see. So this is not mandatory, you can directly import the all file types in one file. I am just doing to keep the things aggregated. So first of all, in the image file I have to import the images. So I have to click on the file, this is the image file, you can see this is the image file. And in the home page you can see this is the import option, and under the import option there are you can see the import option like project, encapture, file, survey, all types of option is there. So let me explain all. So first one is under the import option you can get the option called project. So if somebody already has been working on the NVivo project, and you can directly import that project in this software using this option called project. Okay, and the second one is in capture. So this is used for fetching the data from the social media analysis. So this will be covered at the end of the session. So, and the third one is files. That means if you have some data file in your device and you want to import the files directly from the system, so you can go with this file option. And this is the survey. So if you have survey files like Excel, Qualtrics, SurveyMonkey, all types of file you can import. And if you have some SPSS file, you can import directly under the classification. And NVivo is also support some integration with reference management tool like EndNote, Jetro, reference work, all of this. So you can you can import all types of files in the NVivo software. So in this demonstration, I am selecting the files here because I have the data file in my system. So I have to select the location and NVivo data and images. So I have to I want to import those two images in the image folder. So for that I have to select all two images and I have to click on open and import. So two images are imported in the image folder. So similarly in the interview section, I have to go with the files option and interviews. So there are three text file as an interview file. I am selecting all three and click on open. Click on import. So there are three files we have successfully imported in the interview files. Similarly for PDF, we have two PDF. I'm selecting two and click on open and import. Another one option is there. If you right click on the file, you can get the import file option is there. You can directly import from here. So this is my location, downloads. Okay. Okay. So this is the video file. I am selecting here and click on open and import. So like this, we have imported all types of file in NVivo software. You can see that there are two images are there in the interview files. There are three interview text files are there, and PDF. There are two PDFs are there, and in video file one video is there. So like this, you have you can import all types of data in this software. So now we are going to perform some manual coding. So let's see how you can manually code them. So go to the interview files and suppose I want to code the Barbara file. So I have to double click on the file. So this is the Barbara file, and we can see Henry and Barbara are talk to each other. Henry asks the question and Barbara answers. So this is the interview file of Henry and Barbara. Suppose I want to code them, so I have to click on this code option. You can see this is the code option. I have to click on that and click on close. So suppose our motive or our objective is to track where the people are coming from. So we'll create a code name place and save the references under it. So we have to highlighted the relevant text from the data file. Suppose I want this line. So first of all, I have to highlighted the line and then I have to drag it here in the code section with the left click of your mouse. Okay. and drag it here, and then it will ask me for the new code name. I name it as place, and click on OK. And you can see there is a new code is created as name place file 1 and reference 1. So what I am doing, so first of all I have to highlighted the text, our desired text, like I want this line. So I have to highlighted the text, and then I have to drag it here. I have to drag it the empty space that if I drag it into an empty space, then it will consider as a new code. If I drag it into some existing code, then it will consider as a new references. Okay. So if I highlighted the text and drag it into the empty space, it will create as a new code. And if I drag it into an existing code, that means it will consider as a references or under that code. That means from the two references there from one file. If I go with the another files like Charles files, and I want to code this line. So I have to select that line. Just 1 minute. I have to select that line. Wait. Sorry. So I have to select that line and drag it here, on the existing code. That means three references added from the two files. If I double click on the code place, then you can see the references. So this is the first references from the Barbara file, and this is the second references from the Barbara file. Okay, from the Barbara file there are two references there. From Charles files there are one reference is there. There is a link provided. If you click on the link, it will take to you that part of the line. Okay, and you can find the text is highlighted here. So this is the code, and under the code you can get the all references with a link of the main file, and you can get the all types of reference number from here. So you can manually code them with some text file. So if you have some PDF file, one more things, if you have any text file you can change it also, or you can edit it in this software. Like if you found some grammatical mistakes, then you can edit the files also in this software. Like you have to click on this edit of three horizontal line. You can see there is three horizontal line is there. If you click on that, you can find the edit option is there. If you click on the edit option, you can see this file is editable. We can add anything. Okay, or we can remove anything. So interview transcripts can be edited directly in this software without affecting the original file. That means if you edit in this file, that means your original data files which you have downloaded in your device, that file could not be affected with this. Okay, so this all text files are editable. You can edit it from here. Then you have some PDF file, and if you want to code them, that means manually coding. So in for PDF file, manually coding is slightly different. So since you can't drag and drop directly, you have to use the right click. Suppose I want to code that line, so I have to select that line. After that I have to right click on it. I can't drag it here. Okay, so for that I have to select the line, and after that if I select the line and right click on that highlighted text, you can get a option called code selection. Okay, so first of all I have to highlighted the desired text, then I have to right click on it and select the code selection here, and you can get the codes here, the place. If you want to create a new code, then you have to click on the create new code, and you can change the name it from here, like PDF coding, and click on code selection to new code. So you can see under the code there are two code is created. First one is placed and second one is PDF coding. So like this you can code it directly. One another option is there, if you highlighted that any text, like I want this line, so I am highlighting this line. After that you can find under there is an option to code them. So there is a drop down. If you click on the drop down menu, you can see all types of existing codes are there. You have to select and you have to click on that round shape. So if you go with the code, you can see there is two references added. This is the first reference and this is the second reference from the study material unit 1, that PDF, from that PDF. There is two references there. So like this you can this method is works for non editable files like PDF. So after that, image coding. So if you have some images, like I have, just 1 minute, I have two images in my data, so I am selecting the first one. This is the images data, image data. So if you have an image and you want to create a code from the image, so what you can do, you have to open the images first, then you have to select that region with the left click of your mouse. Okay, so with the left click of your mouse you have to select the region, then you have to right click on that selected region, and you can get the option called code selection. So from there you can create a new code, like boat, and you have to click on code selection to new code. You can see a new code is created as boat. So when you open the code and see, by double clicking on the code, you can open the code. You can see there is one reference is added from that image, and there is a region number is added. Okay, so from that region number, you can't understand what types of image you coded. So for that you have to there is a link is provided by NVivo. If you click on the link, it will take to you on that part of your images. Okay, but if you okay, so but if you want to add some content on that region, so what you have to do, suppose I want to add some content on that portion. So for that I have to click on the edit option first. So from three horizontal line you can get the edit option. You have to click on the edit option. After that you have to select the region again. I am selecting that portion and right click on that portion, selected portion, and you can get a option called insert row. So you have to click on the insert row, and the region is inserted in the row, and after that you can add some content based on your data. So I am putting here as a content like condition of the boat. So I have put the content on that region, then you have to right click on that and code selection. I am selecting the boat here and click on that. You can see in the boat section, in the boat code, there are two references there. First one is with the region number, and the second one is the condition of the boat. There is no region number. So like this you can add any of the content using that option called insert row. So for insert row, first of all you have to click on the edit option. After that you can insert any row. Okay, so when we click on the edit option, after that we can insert the row. So like this you can code some images with the content. After that we'll go for some AI content. Like we have that three code, and in NVivo AI will help you to suggest some child code based on your existing code. Okay, so how you can use this feature? First of all, you have to open the code section, and after that there are three codes, there are three code is created. And suppose I want the child code for the place code. So for that I have to right click on the place code, and there is an option called AI assistant suggest child code. So I have to click on that, and this is the AI terms and condition. You can go with that, but I'm skipping this. After that you have to click on this, and I have to click on OK. You have to select the language of your child code. You can change any of the language. I'm selecting here English, and I have to select on generate. So here you can see NVivo suggests some relevant sub child code or sub codes based on the data. That means under the under the place code there are four suggested child code is there. If you feel any of the irrelevant with the code, you can deselect also. Like I want only three, so I'm deselecting one, and I have to click on OK. And you can see if you click on the if you click on the plus option, you can see there are three child code is added with this place code. Okay, so this is how you can use the AI option, and you can suggest some child code with your original code. So next I am going to explore the explore section. So this is the explore section. Under the explore section contain various analysis tool like in NVivo. Like you can see text search, word frequency, matrix coding queries, chart and hierarchy chart, maps, diagram, and social network analysis. All types of analysis you can find from here. Okay. So in this demonstration, I will show you two of them, which is search text and word frequency. So first one is word frequency. If you click on the word frequency, the interface will pop up like here, and you can in NVivo word frequency tool helps you to quickly see which types of word appear in the most of your data, such as interview, notes, documents, all of this. So by running this query, NVivo gives you a list of the most common word and how often they are used. So this is helpful because uh, this is helpful because most of the common words are often used in this analysis. So suppose support, stress, and community, you may discover the important topic or themes should look into the more closely. That means Word frequency can also show you some related word or group some related word together to making it easier to understand the main ideas in your data. Okay, so if you want to run the analysis, you have to click on this explore section. After that, you have to click on this word frequency. Then you can get these types of interface. So here it is asking me for the selected items or selected folders. That means I have to select the data files. So if you select the item, that means you can allow it's allow you to choose the specific file from your data files. And if you select the select folder, that means automatically include the all files in those folders. So I am selecting here selected items and then select the files. Under the files, I want only interview and PDF files. So I am deselect the images and videos. Then I have to click on OK. And this is the number of word to display. So I want top 100 word. So I am putting here 100. And this is the minimum word length. So I want 5 here. Then this is the grouping section. It's important for these types of analysis because first one is exact match. That means it counts only the exact words, and the second one is steamed word. That means talk and talking considered as a one word, and this is with synonymous. That means speak, talk. Those two words are considered as a one word. Okay, and this is the specialization. That means whisper and talk. Those two words are considered as a one word. And for generalization, with generalization, communicate and talk, speak, whisper, all types of words are considered as a one word. So you can change it also. I am selecting here exact match, and doing all this I have to click on this run query. Sorry. After run the analysis, you can get these types of all results. So this is the list of the most frequent word. Means the word water appears 707 times in those files, and the environment word is appears 610 times in those all files. Okay, so here you can see the words and their frequency, and this is the weighted percentage of that word. So if you want to create a code, this word as a code, so you can do it from here. Like I want this water word as a code. So what I can do, I have to right click on that, and you can get the option as a create as code. So I am selecting here create and as code, and under the codes I am selecting here OK, and I have to put the name of that. So I put the name as water. In code section you can see a new code is added as a water. Okay, so like this you can create the any word as a code from there by right clicking on it, and after that create as a new code. If you click on that water code, you can see all references there. Like their reference one is this from the Barbara file. If you click on that link, you can see this is the Barbara file, and all water word is highlighted here. Okay, So this is the summary result. If you go with the word cloud, this is the summary, and the second option is word cloud. You can get the word cloud. So word cloud is a visual representation of the frequency of the word. Okay. So this is the most frequent words are appear in the larger size and brighter in color. So population, environment, water, science, and environment resource also are the most frequent word. So you can directly code them from the word, and you can export the images also. Like if you want to export the word cloud, what you can do, you have to right click on it, and you can see there is an option called export the word cloud. If you click on that, that means this word cloud is saved as an png file in your device. Okay, like word cloud, you can save it in your device also. And the second one is tree map. So this is another visualization method. So here large rectangle represent the word with higher frequency, and small rectangles represent the word with lower frequency. Okay, so here water is the most highest frequency, and the remainings are the less. The next one is this photo is also exportable. If you right click on it, you can see export the word tree. And the last one is, let me zoom it out. So this is the cluster analysis. So it shows how the words are appear together in sentence. Okay, so words are frequently occur together in together are clustered closely. So this is the based on the sentence proximity, not the meaning. So this is the cluster analysis. It is helpful when we are working with a smaller data sets for better interpretation. If it is larger data sets, then I don't think it's a meaningful or important analysis. So this is the tree map, and this is the word cloud, and this is the summary. Okay, so this is all about word frequency. Then we'll go for text search. So the interface will pop up like here, and this is the text search result preview interface. So while word frequency shows commonly used word, text search help you to find a specific word. That means text search tool let you search for a specific word or phrase across your all files. So instead of looking through every document manually, NVivo finds every place where the word is mentioned. So this make easier to see how the people discuss about a certain topic. For example, we can search the word family, and NVivo will show you every sentence or every paragraph where the word appear family. Okay, so you can choose to save the result as a code also, or which helps you to track the text related to that word. So to run the analysis, you have to click on this explore section. After that, you have to click on this text search option, and then you have to write the keyword here. Okay, you have to enter the keyword within the quotation. So within the quotation, you have to write it. So suppose I want to search the word climate, CLIMATE. So I suppose I want the result for climate. So I am putting the uh, word here in the search for box. Okay, then I am selecting the items, that means our data. So under the data, I am deselect the images and video files, and then click on OK. Then I have to click on run query. Then you can see in the climate the word from the EVS file 44 times appear, from the study material unit 1, that from that PDF 4 times appear. Okay, so after run the analysis we have found the total number of occurrences. This is the total number of occurrences, references grouped by the name of the files. So after run the analysis, you can get the result as word tree. So this is the word tree, a visual representation. So here you can see the how the search word appear in the context. That means in the middle of the in the center of this analysis, our search word is there, and word before it appear on the left, and word after it appear on the right side. Okay, if you click on that one specific line, so it allows you to reconstruct the full sentence for better understanding. So this is also exportable. If you right click on it, you can export it also as a JPG format. This is the summary and this is the references. This is the references from the EVS file. Climate word is there, climate word is there. Okay, so you can find the references with the link of that file. If you click on that, if you click on that link, it will take to you that part. Okay, so you can see all types of search word is highlighted in the whole PDF. So you can go with the references also. So this is all about text search. Now we'll show some autocode. So autocode allows NVivo to automatically analyze your data and code the data. So first of all, you have to select the files. So for that, I have to open the files. Suppose I want the interview files. So there are three files from the interview files. So suppose I want all three. So I have to select the all three files, and then in the home section you can see, just wait, there is a autocode option is there. Okay, so under the first of all you have to select the all files, then you can find the autocode. Under the autocode you can find there are five types of autocode provided by NVivo. So first one is identify theme. That means NVivo detects the major topic discussed in the files. And the second one is identify sentiments. That means you can find the positive, negative, and or neutral sentiment on those files. And the third one is speaker name. That means NVivo segregate the text by different speaker in interview. And the fourth one is use style or structure. That means the code files are with similar structure. And the fifth one is use existing code pattern. That means it learns the manual coding of 10 to 15% of the files and apply on the same tile to the rest. rest. Okay, so in this demonstration, I will cover only those two. First one is identify themes, and the second one is identify sentiment. So first one is identify theme. So to perform the identify theme, I have to select the identify theme and I have to click on next. So this is the result. You can see, you can select or deselect the themes, these all the main themes. And if you click on this small plus option, you can get the sub themes under the main theme. That means under the fishing, the under the theme fishing, there are six sub themes are there. If you go, if you find any irrelevant, you can deselect it also. Okay, then you have to click on next, and this is asking me uh, for the references. That means you have to choose whether to view the references as a code sentence or code paragraph. So I am selecting here code sentence, then I have to click on next. This is the code name. This is the autocode result. From there you can see a hierarchy chart is provided. This is the hierarchy chart and this is the coding matrix. So in hierarchy chart you can find there are main one box. In one box is, that means one theme is facing. Under the main theme there are four sub themes is there. If you expand to view, if you want to expand it, you have to double click on that, and that will be expanded like this. And under the fishing option there are four sub themes are there. You can export it these images also. You have to double click on it, and you can export it as a png file. So these all the themes that is detected by autocode, and this is the coding matrix. It shows the theme on one axis, and there are the all themes, and there are the files. That means interview on the other axis. So you can show the number of the references per theme. If you that means for business theme there are three references from .c files. So if you double click on the three, you can get the references. So there are three references. First reference is there, and the second and third reference is there. So from the .c file there are three references for the business theme. So like this you can find the all types of themes here, and this is the charts. You can get the charts from here. So this is all about the identify theme. Then we'll show you how to identify the sentiments. So for that you have to select the all files, and you have to go for this autocode option and identify sentiments. Next, this time I am selecting the code sentence and finish. So this section explain how to sentiments and the perform advanced analysis in NVivo. So here you can see this is the hierarchy chart. That means neutral sentiments counts, positive sentiment count, negative sentiment counts, and the mixed sentiments count. Okay. So for example, we can see Barbara, the participant name Barbara, may have 57 times neutral and positive about 8 times, negative about 6 times, and mix about 6 times, and neutral about 57 times. Okay, if you click on that, it will expand like this. And this image is also exportable. You can export it from there. So from there you can also find a coding matrix. So this is the coding matrix. So coding matrix with four sentiments categories. So first one is very negative, second one is moderately negative, third one is moderately positive, and the fifth one is moderately very positive. So if you go with that, that means in Charles files how many references there as in very negative. So you can find there are two references. If you click on that, double click on that, you can get the references. So this is the first references, and this is the second references. So there are two references there from the Charles files. So like this you can get the all types of references from there. So this is all about the sentiment analysis. So if you want to get the charts, you have to click on that. This is the charts. This is the 3D chart. You can change it in, you can change the direction from there, and this is the coding matrix. So this is all about the explore section, and now we will show you some AI features in NVivo. So for that, let me close those tabs. So suppose I want to summarize those files, those one Barbara file. So with the help of AI, so what I can do, so I have to right click on the Barbara file, and I can get the option as AI assistant summarize. So I have to click on that. The interface will pop up like here, and it is asking me for the summary languages. There are so many languages you can found. So I am selecting here English, and this is the summary length. So short, standard, and long. So I want standard, and then I have to click on generate. So with the help of AI, we can get the summary of the Barbara file. So this is a Barbara file summary. So you can, if you want, if you find some irrelevant, you can skip it also. Or if you want to save it, you have to go for this add memo option. If you click on the add memo and click on the OK, then you can see this is saved the Barbara summary in the notes section. Okay, so like this you can generate some AI assistant summarization, and you can save it also. So lastly, I will show you how to extract the data from social media. That means I want to show you how to import the data from a YouTube video and comment section. And after that, I will show you how to analyze the sentiment analysis on the comments of the interview video. Sorry, YouTube video. So for that, I have to open a interview video. Sorry, I have to open a YouTube video. So this is the so this is a YouTube video. So I want to extract the data from here. So for that, when you installed the NVivo in your device, so that time a extension will be added to your device called NCapture. So with that extension you can import the data, or you can collect the data with any types of social media network or social media platform. So in this YouTube video, I have to collect the video file, and I have to collect the comment section. So I have to click on this extension tab, and after that I have to click on this N capture, and this is asking me for the video and comment. So I want the video and comments both, and I have to put the name as YT data, and then I have to click on capture. After that, I have to create a file. YouTube data. I have to click on OK. Then I have to go for import option. Now I have to use the n capture option. So I am selecting here n capture option, and you have to browse it as download, because those data types are downloaded in your download section. So then you have to click on OK, and you can see these two types of data are there. First one is for video, and the second one is for comment section. So I have to import it. If you click on that, you can see, there are two data are imported. First one is for video file, and the second one is for comment section. So suppose I there are 504 comments are there under this YouTube video. So if I want to run sentiment analysis on that comment section, so what I can do, I have to go for auto code. So I have to right click on that, and I have to go for, wait a minute, I have to go for this auto code option and identify sentiments, and next I want the code as sentence, so I have to click on finish. And this is the sentiment analysis of the YouTube video. So we can say that is the comment section are neutral about 156 times, positive about 63 times, and negative about 18 times, and mix about 12 times. So if you go with the coding matrix, you can get there is 6 time is very negative, moderate negative is 27 times. If you click on the 6, you can get the references. So these comments are very negative comments from the YouTube video. So these 6 comments are there which are very negative, and 27 comments are there which are moderately negative. Similarly, moderately positive is 56 comments, and very positive 33. 33 are very positive reference. Okay, so like this you can import any of the social media data, and you can make some analysis with them. You can capture any Facebook comments, or you can capture any Twitter, and do some analysis with the help of NVivo. So this is all about today's demonstration. So if you have any doubt or any queries, please let me know so that I can.
So, anyone have any query? Uh, Sir, I have some queries.
Yes,
So
yes,
first I would like to thank you for your exhaustive demonstration of the NVivo. You have touched lot of things, and so it was very exhaustive. And so my questions
thank you,
are:
sir.
the
Hmm.
first question is, are the you have demonstrated about the three AI modules available in the
Yes,
NVivo. So
yes,
are
yes.
these also available in our the subscription?
Sir, I don't know about this. I have to talk to with my team, and I'll get back to you regarding this.
Yeah,
So
actually, this the model which we have subscribed, academic perpetual model.
okay, okay, okay.
So we have
I have to
uh,
check. Actually, I don't know about this. So,
okay. So please let me
Madhush,
know later. Later, please let me know.
okay, okay.
So next question
Just,
is, see,
just, okay, okay,
yeah,
sir. Continue.
mm, yeah. So next question is, see, we have single license, right? So
Hmm.
that is single license is installed at the digital library. So we have lot of users in terms of the faculty members and research scholars, right? So how to tackle with the data security? See, one time one scholar is using the computers. Okay, after the few times, the another scholar is using this the PC. So what will be the how we tackle with the data security?
Sir, I can't get your queries. Sir, can you repeat please once?
I am saying that see,
Hmm.
we have only one license, right?
Hmm. Hmm. Hmm.
We have on that is so if a scholar is coming and he's testing his qualitative data on that computer.
Hmm.
So after that, another user is coming. So if another user coming, what about the data of the previous users? So
Okay. Okay.
I mean to say that is it secure?
Sir, yes, sir. First of all, when we create a new project,
Okay,
then you have to select the file location as a secure file location. After that, you can add some password there.
okay. So the user
Mhm.
can put the password on their project, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. After the saving the project on that location.
Okay. So it means
Mhm.
that another user will not able to open that file, which is password protected by the previous user, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, fine, fine. I got it. So we'll do it that one. So,
Mm.
uh, sir, how the codes generated by you are going to help the researcher? You have, for everything you have generated the code. So how it is going to help the researcher?
Uh, Code means some reference is there. Suppose one line is there in our data file and we put it as a code, and after some time if we want to check the code, then that time we can't go manually with the all dataset. We can go with the code. If we click on the link, that time that link will take to you on that portion of your data. So for that you can create some code and the code will help you that time.
Okay, so we'll check, and if there any doubt, we'll let you know. And
Okay.
another is that so can we also test this and Vivo in the review of literature, exhaustive review of literature? Can you
Exhaustive.
perform review of literature? Suppose we are doing some review of literature, particular topic, for example, cloud computing. So how many articles have been cited over period of time to till date? So we are writing up to a stack. So can you perform some kind of test with the help of the NVivo?
Okay, sir. Sir, in this time I am not sure about it. I'll get back to you surely, sir, about this regarding these queries.
Yeah, right, right. Okay,
Okay.
so meanwhile, I have this question. Once we'll use this, so I'm sure there will be more question which will come, and I hope you will help us at the time also, right?
Sure, 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 sure.
Yeah, right, so right. So that's it from the mine. Thank you. So would you like to add something else?
सर वो जो आपने बोला लाइब्रेरीज और मॉड्यूल्स, वो आपको मैं मेरा टीम से बात करके मैं आपको कंफर्म करता हूँ।
Right.
और कुछ पूछना है आपको?
नहीं सर, मेरी तरफ से बस इतना ही है। मैं ये
अच्छा।
कह रहा था उसके बाद में क्या है ना, देखिए हमारे लिए भी नया है, अभी जो हमारे स्कॉलर आएंगे प्रॉब्ली उनके लिए भी
हम्म।
नया होगा। तो जब हम इसको यूज करेंगे तो मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली हमारे लिए नए नए क्वेश्चन और आएंगे, क्योंकि ये वीडियो जो आपने बनाई है, आई थिंक दिस इज
हम्म।
गोइंग टू हेल्प अस लॉट ऑफ। सो ये
ओके
भी
सर।
काफी वीडियो हमारे हेल्प करने हैं और हमारे पास बहुत सारे और क्वेश्चन आएंगे। तो मैं आपसे एक रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा, एक तो सर आप हमें इस वीडियो की जो रिकॉर्डिंग है वो शेयर करिएगा, और दूसरा मैं
हाँ
आपसे एक
सर,
और
वो
रिक्वेस्ट करना,
प्रोवाइड कीजिए।
हाँ, ये
हम्म।
रिक्वेस्ट करना चाहूंगा कि जो ये वीडियो होगी ना, हम क्या करेंगे,
हम्म।
अपनी लाइब्रेरी की यूट्यूब चैनल पे डाल देंगे, जो हम अपने फैकल्टी रिसर्च स्कॉलर को मेल कर देंगे उसका लिंक, कि ये हमने एक एनबीबो लिया हुआ है, अगर आपको देखना है कि कैसे ही उसको यूज करना है, तो इस वीडियो पर आप जाके देख सकते हैं, राइट सर?
सर इसके बारे में मुझे मेरे टीम से बात करना पड़ेगा क्योंकि देयर आर सम प्राइवेसी इश्यूज। सो मुझे बात करना पड़ेगा और उसके बाद आपको कंफर्म करता हूँ मैं इसके बारे में।
हाँ
ओके
क्योंकि
सर।
सर एकेडमिक, हाँ क्योंकि हम एकेडमिक पर्पज के लिए ही जस्ट हम लोग यूज करें, कोई कॉमर्शियल पर्पज नहीं है। क्योंकि मेरा सबसे पहला क्वेश्चन ये था कि हम चाह रहे थे कि जितने हमारे फैकल्टी रिसर्च स्कॉलर हैं, हालांकि सारे नहीं
हम्म,
जुड़ते, एटलीस्ट 50 भी जुड़ जाते तो कैसे उसको यूज करना है। ठीक है, क्योंकि अभी इतना एग्जॉस्टिव है, क्योंकि हम भी उनको क्लियर नहीं कर सकते हैं कि आपको ये करना है, ये परफॉर्म करना है, ये टेस्ट करना है, ऐसे करना है। तो ये जो वीडियो
हम्म,
है अगर हम अपने यूट्यूब पे चैनल पे डाल दे, लाइब्रेरी के यूट्यूब चैनल पे, तो एटलीस्ट उसका लिंक उनको शेयर कर देंगे तो उनको एक अवेयरनेस हो जाएगा कि ये क्या चीज़ है, कैसे उसमें टेस्ट परफॉर्म करना है, मतलब उनके लिए कितना ये कंपेटेबल है, कि मतलब यूजफुल है या नहीं है ना। तो ओवरऑल
ओके
आइडिया
सर।
उनको मिल पाएगा, तो
मैं समझ
प्लीज।
सकता हूँ आपके बारे में।
जी
और
सर।
आई हैव टू टॉक विद माय टीम अबाउट दिस, देन आई विल
राइट सर।
गेट बैक टू यू।
Yeah, right, sir, right. So last, no, thank you very much for you and your team for this exhaustive demonstration of this NVivo. So thank you so much, sir.
यस सर, थैंक यू सो मच।
Yeah. Okay. Thank you everyone for joining the meeting. Thank you very much. Okay, sir. So should we leave, sir?
यस सर, यस सर।
Okay, sir. Thank you.